P Baro ni pedang sngobai page gatuk kubor mentaga janmit shwaban page ki kubor ki babnya ngini page wai ki mat bokong san Aijing minjur ka sorkari ka scheme Prithvi Vigyan ka Bashongdor kumba 100,000 plus pak lur tingka Kentu ka sorkar jalai ka sing HNLC ban omni nagamit ikren Yusuf Dang yai beteng ka jing dheng kali hai jing king umyam kentu ki pulit penyat kali ki padba banyat bet klem de simpas Shakta kalai kawan ke nong jungok kai perthai na gajing sangi trikam ki kali ka basta pukha kanta bane ki persha ya ka an hit and run ka bathmai Batsdang gajing alang jeng Director General bakin Inspector General of Police Jongkavi ka balai singi ha Jaipur Ki kubor ki babnya ka sarkar kalarai ban pentrai kamno ek scheme Prithvi Vigyan ka Bashongdor 100,000 news pa khandai phunyo klur tingka yakani ka rai la shem de ka kinhun menteri jong ka sarkar pedeng menta ka sngi ka Prithvi scheme ka thmu ban kante bat penyar ka kamwat banya yakal air ka batawiar ka perthai ka duriau ka mei maryang ka hau ya ka khndo badi ki dakishin ha ka jinglong ka perthai bat ki jingkala ha ka Ka sarkar jala kalabu ya gajing kerpat ya seng HNLC ban om ino ya gajing kren yasuk hapring jongki ba ka sarkar pedeng bar ka sarkar jala da ka baong ba kani ka kinhun kampat ya kren shai ka sarkar jala shaphang gajing thmu jongki ban mi no na kamiet ya kren yasuk udukhat jong ka cabinet bat unong aiktien ka sarkar MDA ka baar uba polling do ulaong ba ka sarkar ka kloy ban lum ya gajing yalang ba kerki tang shwan phai menteri rang ba ka jala kon rat ki sangma bat usum bud menteri rang ba ka jala ba preston ten song shashlong ulaong ru ba on menjur ya ka jingdawa jong ka seng HNLC ban panmang
to the negotiating team.
So do we see any meeting in this regard of the state government meeting up to discuss something else?
Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much, but certainly the government will take a call on the matter. And it should be happening very soon once the CM is back.
Ka program pre-recruitment training na kabenta ki Agnivir bat ki Sipai Ringko kelas dang Hasinat College Shillong mentagasngi kani ka program ka belas dang lingba ka Chief Minister's Special Grant kade ka kam ka balapanya lang daga office jongka Deputy Commissioner ha East Khasi Hills haringkat lang bat ka office jongka Zila Welfare Sainik Kajing thmu ka bakong san e kalong ban ay kajing hikai ka bomdan ka mansiu pisa bade ka training sheki samla ki badang thrang ya kani ka kam da ka bayarap haki hakarukom thepkam haki kam shipai ikong RM kurba ibalong ru Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills lapnya ya ka program sedang kani ka program ka thmu ban pen kopbor ki samla ki bathrang ya ka kam da ka jing pen tibet ba jing hikai ki badan kam haka jing thepkam da ka babu ya ka thong ka bayar ban kershan ya ki haka jing ay jing shakri haki kam shipai
Prepare and physically fit. You have to be ready for that. And you just by having a degree is not good enough. You have to have, if you're looking for career on this line, you have to be physically fit, you have to be disciplined, you have to have it in you that I will work very hard and never give up. And henceforth, you prepare yourself physically, as I said, and mentally to sit for the exam, and we hope that you will come out successful, and we hope to see our people from the northeastern region to be there, and we'll be very proud of you to serve the country.
Kajing maramot ya kajing kieng ke bakong santam ha umyam kadang ya syait bat kala ru bandang simpor da bun ki benai ban pendep. Henry wat hadian kajing penmi ke hukum bat kajing bu iki puliat ban penya ki kali kajing deheng kali kadang yai beteng hi hadu menta. Ngidang la ban yu ki kali ki basakut da bun kenta ni ki daw jong kini ki kam maramot. Wat hadian kajing maham kabala penmi ban kiar na kajing ya kini kali ha kajing kieng bun ki kali kadang yai beteng hi ban kini ban poi syakmat ya ki wei ki balanang ya bat kanang penjur syu ya kajing deheng kali. Banyadai kum kini ki jingjia ki bakta shu e ka jing thang kali ki pulit ke le kat bala ban pendap e ka kamram jongki ha ka ba bon ki layo i baki yat patrolling bat ki thuk ban pentikna bakan omdan kanu ka jinge kini jongki kali ha baro shilenter jong ka jingking Shan hadian babaro ki kali kit breu bat ki kali kit mar mata kila shemi garai ban sange trekam na kabenta arsingi ban yakhi persha halor ka an hit and run ka bathamai umentri ka tanat ka kam jungo kai prothei ba polling do ula ong bakane ka jinge khi kam kta tai ka jala Meghalaya henrai ka ri hi baro ko we ula ong ru ba kini ki jingjia nya kali thurmur kila nang kiu bat kumta usngo bakat long ka badan kam e bandan kum kani ka an
from the entire nation. And of course, we have seen a rise in, as we speak, this is a protest that has been organized across the country. So, in fact, the movement of tourists is repeated across India. Therefore, it's not something that Meghalaya on its own, especially being a landlocked state, we cannot take measures of our own. It has to be in tandem with what the rest of the country is doing.
Menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi unya shimbentalang haka jingelang ka banlong la shai ka sngi bat haka sngi ublei haka ni ka jingelang unya tai sani bha halor shibun ki mat ki bakentup ye ki kam sniu ling ba ka saiba ki jing e haka ba de bat ki kam le no ki kin hun persha ba ka jing pen bha ye ki patok sagawai pat kamat banyakran haka ni ka jingelang ka long ban perkhat halor ka jing thmu banya pentre kam no ye ka criminal law ka bathamai Onya tai ru halor ki mat ke bayade ba ka shongsuk shongsngan bat ka rukom ai jing yada na ki jing e ki ba mi na ki kor ki bor ki bathmai kum ka artificial intelligence ka deep fake bat kum no banyele persha yake Menteri Ketenat Tourism iba polling do henegasngi ila play ka mural painting ha ka office trekam jong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills kani ka jing draw ka pen ya ka jing ru spa ka lariti jong ka jilla haba ai jing krani ba pol ila banjur bandon ka jing trailang jong baro akilyang khnang ba ka jilla kan la ban yo ka jing ithu haba ka daw shapang ka jing ru spa jong ka riti ba ka jing itna jong ka mariang hapo ka jilla iba pol ila ong ba ka jilla Meghalaya kan long ka we ni ki jaka ka ba pau balada ka jilla ka dang yai beteng ban penne pensa ya ka jing itna jong ka tang hapo ka tu ka ni snem ki pat ba kinom don kam shu ban khmi lenti na ka sarkar ban yo kam yo jam
What you have done today is encourage visitors, tourists visiting the state of Meghalaya to not only be mesmerized by our natural beauty, but also to step into something called immersive tourism and to try to go deeper, to immerse into the culture, immerse into the arts, the myths, the legends, the history, the cultural background of a people. And that is an experience that Meghalaya has so much to share with the rest of the world.
Menteri Ketenat ki Kambari USJ Shankar bat Menteri Ketenat Kambari ka Nepal UNP South kila penyat lang ya jingalang Joint Commission hapenengari India bat Nepal ka Bahinyo hakat mandu bat kila yakran halor kiliang ba per jong ka jingedei parlok bat kari Nepal laya soiru ya ke artli ki saskular ki bakong san hapeneng jongki bat ka wei ka long ka saskular hakabayadei bat ka boarding bat ka wei pat ban kentiu ya jing bai tingka ya ki project ban penroi state haki kam shnong kam thau Ka district election officer jong ka East Khasi Hills ikong RM Korba Henegasngi ila pelat ya ka district level final photo electoral rolls ha DC office conference hall Shillong. Kumba khasantli ki constituency electoral rolls la IT ha Henegasngi da ka ba no ikasora civil subdivision na East Khasi Hills. Haba ay jingkren ikong RM Korba ila yaro ya ka jingtray shitom jong ki briw ki ba shimti ka kam bat ki district officer ki bala IT met bat mensim na pentikna ya ka jingbiang bat jingpura ki electoral roll.
1, 2, 3.
All of you present here today in media too, I would like to request that let us give a positive, approach towards this coming election, and we really request that in earlier years also we've seen in previous years for MP election the ratio of people coming out for voting is very less. So I take this opportunity with the number of the electors that have increased and the young ones have come in, that they will understand the importance of voting and it is their right. It should not be wasted.
Kapuli puthi ka bakentup lang ya baro lani ka inclusive education kalong ke ka bayai beteng bandan tang ha ka jingong namar baki nong yo jingmentoy kimpat yo ya ka jingmentoy kumba ka sarkar jala kalabu ong iba Jitendra Dakhar ibadai managing director jongka blind lead trust lani BLT haba ai jingkren chikilat pathai kubor hadian ka jingrakhe ka World Braille Day ha National Institute of Technology Meghalaya henen gasngi iba Jitendra Dakhar ila ong baka kentian inclusive education ka tang hakikot kisla namar omdan na kiskul ba kiban pentri kam ya kani ila kenturu ika sarkar jala ban shnai ki kindon ban penlong kongsan haki jaka puli puthi ban penrung ya ki khna puli ki badan jingduna ha ka boryo i katkum ka jing ong jong i kini kiskul ba ki dei ban ai kam ai jam ya kino hikai ki bala pentibet ban ai jing hikai ya ki khna ki badan jingduna ha ki boryo i lingba ka jing pendon kam ya ka bril
not being sensitized or aware that even in our place, in our capital city, we do have this platform or medium where we can do intervention through the government with the support of the ministry on reaching out, especially to our friends and our family members who are visually impaired.
Mentapat ngin pe yekajing long jingman kasing badeng hashlong kajing shet kalong khat sun point new degree Celsius makajing kreat kalong saw point khandai degree Celsius kajing skam ka hau kalong new pupra na kashis pa men step but san puar na kashis pa janmit kasing badeng kan rang hashlong bat ki jaka ba marjan shwaban poi ka thup khubor ka bakhat du ngini phai byang sai chi siani kimat bakong san आईजी मिंजर का सरकार का स्कीम पृथ्वी विज्ञान का बशंगदौर कुंबा 100,000 प्लस पाक लोटिंग का किंतु का सरकार जुलाई का संग HNLC बनो मीनो अनगमी निकरन यसुक Dang yai beteng ke jing theng kali ha jing keng umyam kintu ki pulit penyai kali ya ki pat ba penyai bet klem di simpas Shakta kali kawan kinong jungo kai protein ka jing sange trikam ki kali ka basaw ko kanta ban ki persha ya ka an hit and run ka batmai Batsdang ka jingyalang jong ki Director General bat ki Inspector General of Police jong kari ka balai singi Jaipur. Ti perlok katung ila poi syaga bakut jong ka thup khobor jong imenta ka janmit hadu begini syambyang bat phila shai ka singi khuble phi baro